I'm going to show you how to use the power dialer and advanced leads. Now, the power dialer is an automated feature that works with the manual follow-up actions that allows consult coordinators within your practice to streamline their manual touch points that need to happen alongside the automated campaigns. It allows them to quickly and easily call new leads that have shown an interest within the practice just at the click of a button. Now, let's go ahead and walk through that. So from your dashboard, you will see that there are 13 pending manual follow-up actions. So let's go to those actions now. Now it brings up a list of all of the actions that are currently pending, and it shows you who they are assigned to. Now this can be filtered down by selecting the individual person, or you can look at them all in one spot. So the next step would be to click Let's Start. Now what this does is it opens up a window and it places in there a templated message. Now these can be updated. These can be updated from the message templates, or they can be manually updated in here before you send. And so this is, hi Kevin, this is John from Practice Demo. We hope you're doing well. I wanted to check in to see if you're still interested in scheduling an ICL consultation. So all I need to do if I'm happy with this template or happy with this text is click on Send Now. And then what that's going to do is it's going to mark that manual action as complete and go through the next lead. So within the manual actions, it varies between templated text messages or calls. So let's go ahead and send this one out and see if we can get to one that is a call. Okay, perfect. So this is dialing straight from your dashboard. So I can continue to connect the call, or if I disconnect, say if they don't answer, I can leave whatever feedback letting us know how that call actually went. So I can either complete it, or I can say that I left a voicemail, that it was busy, whatever the action was. So let's say that there was no answer. Then it gives you the option to go to the next lead. So it will continue going through all of the manual actions until you are completely finished. And let's go back to see what that looks like. So now you can see that we have gone through the manual actions and we've gone through a couple, and there are still some that are pending. So I can continue my journey or I can pause that. So say if you were to get interrupted, you're able to pause that and then return to your progress later. So hopefully this helps explain how to go through those manual actions within the Power Dialer. It's a really exciting feature and we think that y'all are all going to love it.